Another one of these videos. How many stocks do you need to own of one company to earn $250 a month, completely passively? Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, head down and subscribe for all future content. Everything new that I'm putting out there, you will see, you will come across, and you'll be able to watch it. And while you're down there, like the video or wait until you enjoy the content throughout the video and then give it a little like. It'll be much appreciated and really helps out the channel. I'm on the verge of earning £200 in 1 month from dividends through my 54-ish £1,000 portfolio. That equates to over $250, $275-ish at the moment. So I felt it's probably appropriate to get another one of these videos out of how much you need to invest in one particular stock to earn your $250 in income. I love doing these videos because I used to love watching these videos and do still love watching these videos, and I find it quite fascinating how much you need to plow into the stock market, taking capital growth off the table and what you'd earn in dividends, providing the company continues to pay them completely passively without doing a single thing, just owning the stock. And that's the beauty of dividend investing. That's the beauty of pure passive income and dividend investing as a form of that. So I'm always keen to get these videos out and just explain it to you guys, because I'm obviously a big believer in dividend investing and the passive income that it produces. The company that I am choosing today, and we'll have a look briefly about the company, it's a REIT. It isn't the highest dividend yielding REIT, but it is quite well known. It has labelled itself as the monthly dividend payer. So you'll be receiving the dividends on a monthly basis rather than quarterly, which is fantastic because then you get it dripped through every single month rather than having to wait and spread it across 3 months. It also means that you can reinvest it quicker back into either this company or another company or the stock market as a whole, and your compounding effect will happen quicker. The company ticker symbol is O. It is, of course, Realty Income. Everybody knows this, well, not everybody, but it's very well known in the REIT sector. It's very well known as a monthly payer. It is people's favorite stock if they want monthly income. It's got a reasonable yield still, and it's a pretty healthy company. So we'll head in and have a look a little bit about the company. And of course, we will do the calculations in there. I think it makes a little bit more sense doing it in there, and it's just a bit easier doing them on the computer. So we'll jump in there, go through. All right, again, as always, we are starting in the portfolio. I'll be completely transparent and show you my position in Realty Income. Here we are. So I'm actually down. Oh, I had a good day today, green day for Realty Income. I am down in Realty Income at the moment, ever so slightly, and I have 26 shares in it. My average cost is $61.88. It's currently $61.75, and I have a value position, as in the size of my position is $1,600. Realty Income is one of those stocks that I will every now and then add to, just because it's a good play, good safe play to be in. So just to give you that, track your dividends here. I use, again, just to track things. We can see ticker symbol O, 26 shares at $61.67, and I'm getting $73.16 every single year. So $73.16 on a yearly basis. I'm getting $6 every month. I'm going to show you the dividend payout graph that I use. As I've said many times, it's incredibly simple, but I'm up to £166 so far. We're only on the 9th. I'm expecting to get up to, or certainly close to, $200, which would make it, in fact, £166 to dollars at the moment. It's 229. I've got very little to go until I hit that $250 in 1 month. That's only one, and that's from a hefty portfolio, a lot of which don't pay dividends anyway, like Tesla, for example, one of my biggest holdings. So that's why I felt this video was probably apt at the moment, is I'm so close to getting that $250. If I can get over the £200 mark, that is about $275 in 1 month. So that's why I thought it was quite apt. So let's get on to the company itself, because we're going to use some of these figures to make the calculations to see how much money you would need to invest in this company to get you $250 every single month, and you would get it every single month. So a couple of bits just about Realty Income. First of all, we can see what what happened obviously last year, and it just hasn't fully recovered up to the levels it was at. It was an $80 stock at one point, $82 at its highs, and it just hasn't quite recovered yet. Obviously it's still at $61.77. We have a price to funds from operation of 18.35, $18.35, which is not too bad at all. And the main thing we're going to focus on is our dividend yield of 4.62. We're also going to use our dividend summary section here, and we're going to look at the annual payout of $2.81 per share. So let's have a quick look at how many shares you would need to own to achieve that $250 a month. So what we're going to do is we're going to take $250. Let me move this over so my face isn't in the way, and we're going to times that by 12. We know we need to get $3,000. We need to hit $3,000 per year to achieve our $250 per month from Realty Income. So what we're then going to do is we're going to take that $3,000 and we're going to divide it by the annual payout. So your annual payout per one share, you buy one share of Realty Income at $61. Every year you're going to get back $281 for owning that one share. Now to achieve this 3,000, we need to work out how many shares we need. So we need to divide that 3,000 by $2.81. That brings us 1,067. And let's round up. So we're gonna work on 1,068. That's how many shares you need, because don't forget, every one share provides you $281. So to get to that 3,000 a year, we need to be achieving that kind of figure. You could just work this out on a monthly basis, do the monthly and then times it by 12. Doesn't matter which way you do it, but we need 1,068 shares. So we're going to take that 1,068. I had to just quickly check what price we're running at the moment, and we need to times that by $61.73. And this is going to be the amount you need to invest into Realty Income to get $250 every single month. And they're dependable, so you will be getting that $250 every month. So we need to invest just shy of $66,000 into the marketplace. So after all that, I've just got onto a Realty Income website, and we've actually got a calculator on there anyway. So after all that, you could probably do it yourself. Head on to the website, and we've got a calculator here. It tells you how many shares you will need. So to get your $250 per month, you need, that near as makes no difference, in the region of 1,075 shares. Then you can come and calculate yourself at 61.78 actually, last time I looked, just a second ago. So they've gone up, times 1,075 for a small cushion of a couple of dollars, 66,413, and we were $66,000 before. So if you want to do it, go straight to the website. It saves you doing the calculations. It shows you how many shares, number of shares you need, and then you can just times that by the monetary value of a single share, which will be on Seeking Alpha or Yahoo Finance or any financial website. So I hope you found that interesting. Hope that kind of made sense to you. I will try and get another video like this out with another random number once I maybe hit a random figure, and we'll see what it comes out at. Dividend investing at its absolute finest there. Good REIT, should have good recovery, I feel, since everything happened back in March, April, and throughout last year. REITs are yet to recover, so I still think a bit of a value play maybe. Monthly payer, so you can reinvest the money straight back into the stock market, or you're getting it on a monthly basis rather than getting it quarterly, spreading it across 3, and been paying the dividends for a very long time. So that's really, really good to see. It's a relatively safe place to put your money. Do not quote me on that. I still believe it probably is though. And a lot of the companies we look at on this channel are safer to be putting your money into there and will get a better return. Certainly safer than putting it in the bank where you're actually losing money due to inflation. So if anyone really needed to see that, share this with a friend. If you feel a friend needs to see this, share it with somebody. If you feel like you need to kind of spread this message about investing, stock market investing, dividend investing, if people are maybe a bit scared about it, show them this video, show them the safety net, I guess, of the number of years this company's been paying a dividend and how safe it probably is. There's always risks involved, of course there are, but if somebody needs to see this, you need to get that out to them and just show them that they need to be putting their money rather than keeping it in the bank. And it's safe in the bank. It's not safe in the bank. You're losing money in the bank. So share this with a friend if you feel like somebody needs to see this. As I said at the beginning of the video, subscribe to the channel if you've enjoyed the content. If you've made it this far, I'm sure you have enjoyed the content. Just press the little subscribe button down there and you'll receive loads more content as it comes out. Penny stocks, dividend investing, everything about the stock market as much as I can get out there. And give the video a little like if you have enjoyed it. Give it a little thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed it. But we all know you have because you've made it this far. So I'll leave it there, guys. Really appreciate you tuning into this video. I will ramble on for loads more videos to come about dividend investing and how much I absolutely love it, receiving this passive income all the time. But I'll leave it there, guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you later.